there's this intent filter. So this particular intent, if you see this android.action.main, so this is basically the main activity. And if you see here, chris.org.in.ima.activities.irctc connect activity. So this is basically the main page that opens when you click on the launcher. So this is the intent category launcher. So this icon, the IRCTC icon, when you click on that, this is the activity that runs. Now you might want to say, okay, I got it. Now I want to see what is the actual code that's there that's being executed, because then only I would be able to find bugs on that. So what would happen is in the Android name, let's say you can say Chris or IN IMA activities. So you go to this Chris org.in IMA activities, and then you can see a lot of different activities. There's this IRCTC connect activity. So if I click on this, it would show me the Java code. If it's not, like, what do you say, if it's not